Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to clear media cache file in Adobe Premiere Pro 2024. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, go to the Adobe Premiere Pro. In Adobe Premiere Pro, go to the Edit. In Edit, go to the Preferences. In Preferences, we find Media Cache. Click on Media Cache. And media cache is open. In media cache, here we find remove media cache file. Click on delete. Select this and click on the OK. It's remove your all cache file from your PC or laptop. After that, here we find media cache management. Make sure it is automatically delete cache file older than, and click on OK, and make sure give 5 days or 10 days. I give 10 days. And if you want to automatically delete oldest cache file when cache extend, then make sure it is 10 GB and select this. Check this and go to with the 10 GB. I go with the 10 days. You can go with the 10 GB also. Click on the OK, and that's all. Your media cache file or media cache file issue is solved from your Adobe Premiere Pro 2024. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you guys.